Pink Pig.
Hi guys, welcome to the Pink Pig Farm. We're just on the outskirts of Scunthorpe. We've got all sorts here. We've got animals, playtime. We're on a water fight event today, as you can probably tell. Got a lot of free range fun here. Thanks to Bella for coming today. Great jobs.
They have a really big sock play. I'm gonna go in it and you guys can come with me. I'm gonna go up here. Oh god. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay. I know where I'm going. I'm not sure how to get up here. Into the pig. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go down here. Okay guys, I'll put you there. Whee! Oh. Whee! How to go, Kelly? That's fun. That hot that I need to get a drink because I'm sweating like hell. I got Sprite because Sprite is my favourite. Guys, look at this. You hold on to these and then you go down it. I love this by that pink here. Oh, isn't Sprite? I'm gonna try that. It's bubbly. Okay. I'm gonna go in that, but I'm not sure how high it is, and I'm scared of the heights. I'm gonna face my fears.
Are you gonna go on it?
Yeah. Oh, I feel high.
It goes very high, look.
Oh! God.
What do you think?
It goes that way, I think. But how do you enter?
Around the other side, just gonna show you how high it goes, look.
I see how high it goes. Is it that high?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then up here it goes even higher, look.
Oh.
All the way up there.
All the way there? Wait.
Yeah, look, people are on it.
Does it go all the... Wait, do you have to go on there?
Do you think you'd want to go on there, Bella?
What, on there? I was gonna do it, but I changed my mind because my fear is heights. But I am gonna go on that brick thing over there. Went lightning speed. My dad went on a tractor before because he was tractor wrecker. It's hot on me.
Farmer Bella.
I'm a farmer.
You see if you can push the ducks all the way along. Oh, the duck is stuck. The duck's moving! More, Bella, more!
I'm doing it.
Oh, the duck's going.
There's a really big bounce thing. Guys, it's really hot outside, so we're gonna get some food because I'm hungry.
And it's boiling.
A few moments later.
What do you want for dinner then?
Pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. Do they do pepperoni pizza?
I think so.
Okay, shall we go and have a look and see what they do?
Yeah.
What is Bella having? You don't do pepperoni pizza, so having baked potato?
With cheese.
With cheese? Oh, I think Mummy's having a baked potato. Are we going to have ice cream for after?
Yeah. Baby ice cream.
Oh yeah.
I want the chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream's in here.
My baked potato and cheese. This is amazing. At my school, I had it every single day when they put it on the menu. And I loved it. And I love it at Pink Pig. It's even better at Pink Pig.
So 5 stars for Pink Pig's food.
No, 110.
110 stars for Pink Pig's food. Baked potatoes, on point.
Good. I'm gonna one of these and then let's see if I can do it. Oh, yeah, you just did it.
Right, thank you